Yo, this is a trade recap on how I got 61 points on the Nasdaq today. 1.2 R, 15-second inversion, A plus setup. I really like this. Today is June 10th. I'll play the recording now. All right, go into this recap. This was the inversion here on trade C. 15-second. Now, going into the day, I was overall bullish. Tap into the daily gap. Look at this rejection here. Look at this wick here. Very strong momentum telling us we are going lower. We can see there's an unfilled 4-hour here as our DOL. Today also we had news data. We had CPI at 8:30. 8:30 here. This was swept. There was a data low. There's a data low intact here. Now on ES, on NQ, as we see before market, we can see the ES has not swept either of its data highs or data lows. NQ has. Now, why I still took a short here, we can see now we went into the market 30-minute. We can see the 30-minute here is 30-minute gap here. It's a 15-minute lower, 15-minute at the data wick. Market opens. We dump and we get an inversion here. There is a 30-second. There's a 30-second. You can see on the trade C. There's a 30-second here that I could have taken. Now, why I didn't take this, and maybe I should have taken this. The only reason why I didn't take this is how close we were to the data wick. I guess not that far as I see it now, like 30 points. 30 points, we can still tap that, but I did not like that, and maybe in the future I need to take accountability on how I can use attack versus defense. We can see the 30-minute defending the data wick. So if you get rejections out of that, it's valid to take longs. And we can target the internal high, the 4-hour gap above, and we could have taken that. But we didn't, and we move on. So moving on with the day. Here we get a sweep of these highs. Here. all of this liquidity ran, all of this, and on ES it looked way better. I still took it on NQ. We swept the data wick, and my DOL was still lower to this data wick at the time being, and to this internal low on the 15-minute. It was lining up all the way, and from there we just took a 15-second short. Go on here. We go up here. So as we can see, we swept all those highs like we saw in the trading view. Instead, here we see the 15-second inverse targeting this DOL lower as our magnet, and all of this low resistance. Now, in my opinion, for those longs, those were perfect. Especially, it was a perfect open low high close, perfect 30-minute PO3, 9:30 PO3. It was perfect. It was V-shaped. It was the most A plus setup. And maybe I should be back testing this data more of like when to leave the data wicks, because for me, I've gotten screwed over before on data wicks whenever I've went against them, and maybe this is like a whole different situation, so it's kind of valid not to fade. And the 30-minute was just defending it with its life, man. So I could have taken it, but we didn't, and that's the trade recap for today. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and winning day secured. Hopefully I can get this payout We need 4 more winning days, and we'll get this payout. All right, thank you.